Peacekeeping has proven to be one of the most effective tools available to the United Nations to assist host countries navigate the difficult path from conflict to peace. Peacekeeping has unique strengths, including legitimacy, burden sharing, and an ability to deploy and sustain troops and police from around the globe, integrating them with civilian peacekeepers to advance multidimensional mandates. UN peacekeepers provide security and the political and peace-building support to help countries make the difficult early transition from conflict to peace. Every year on 29th May, International Day of UN Peacekeepers is observed. The day has two purposes: to honor the memory of the UN peacekeepers who have lost their lives in the cause of peace, to pay tribute to all the men and women who have served and continue to serve in UN peacekeeping operations for their high level of professionalism, dedication and courage. As one of the founding members of the UN, India's contribution to the maintenance of international peace and security has been second to none. India stands solidly committed to assist the UN in the maintenance of international peace and security. India has a proud history of UN peacekeeping dating back to its inception in the 1950s. The country has contributed nearly 60,000 troops and participated in 43 missions. India has also provided and continues to provide eminent force commanders for UN missions. The first deployment was in Korea in 1950, where India sent paramedical troops and custodian forces. Indian troops provided guards for the prisoners of war and paramedical unit to facilitate withdrawal of the sick and the wounded. After the ceasefire, India became the chairman of the Neutral Nations Repatriation Commission. The journey on which India embarked in 1950 has since continued. There have been numerous destinations including Indochina, Vietnam, Laos, Cambodia, followed by several other peacekeeping missions, amongst others in Middle East, Congo, Cambodia, Mozambique, Somalia, Rwanda, Angola, Sierra Leone and Ethiopia, Eritrea. The Indian Armed Forces are presently involved in 7 UN peacekeeping missions out of total 14 UN peace missions, that is Lebanon, Congo, Sudan, Golan Heights, Ivory Coast, Liberia. Indian troops have taken part in some of the most difficult operations and their professional excellence has won them universal admiration. Indian UN peacekeepers patrolled through a camp for people displaced by fighting in Kiwanja, 70 kilometers, that is 50 miles north of Goma in eastern Congo, November 22, 2008. Language seems to be no barrier for the Indian Army personnel who try to get friendly with the local children in Congo. The United Nations missions in Ethiopia and Eritrea, peacekeeper from the Indian battalion pictured with a child in Addis Tesfa, Ethiopia. The first all-women contingent in any UN peacekeeping mission. A formed police unit from India was deployed in 2007 to the UN operation in Liberia. In preventing violence against women and girls in Liberia, Indian women peacekeepers have set an example that is now emulated in UN peacekeeping missions across the world. The deployment was hailed as potentially transformative and was seen as a key step towards altering the conditions for local girls and women in post-conflict situations, particularly in light of increasing reports of sexual exploitation and abuse by male peacekeepers. More than 160 Indian peacekeepers paid the supreme sacrifice and laid down their lives while serving in UN missions. Most recently, United Nations Assistant Secretary General Tony Banbury has praised the bravery of Indian Jawans killed while fighting rebels in South Sudan. As the world is confronted with new challenges, UN peacekeeping is evolving to meet them, helping more people than ever through some of the most destructive conflicts. Bureau Report, DD News.